How's it going, guys? Welcome, focus, to episode 100 of the Abel LMTV build series. It's about 1:30 in the afternoon on a Thursday, beautiful sunny day here in Scappoose. And I want to kick the episode off with just a little thoughts. Some thoughts of mine. We bought Abel on June 7th, 2018, so we're almost at the 1 year anniversary. And my ultimate goal with this truck was to learn the systems and be able to create at least 100 episode build series for this truck. And we're going to surpass that by quite a bit. There's quite a few things left that I want to do. Some of the bigger things are coming up. And I'm going to be sharing those with you guys. This build is not over by far yet, so stay tuned and keep checking out the build series. And we've got something special coming up here for you mid-month, towards the end of this month, which is May of 2019. And I think you guys are really going to like it. So I'd like to kick this episode off with some small unboxing, and then I'll show you what I want to work on today. I want to share with you guys today. Nothing extreme, but at the same time, it is all that important for this build series to continue. Something I've already opened, which is pretty handy, is this Milwaukee laser temperature thermometer thing. And it runs on a 9-volt battery. Pretty handy to have to check your hub temperatures when you're out on the road. You can pick up some pretty nasty things that might happen if you don't keep an eye on some of your temperatures for your vehicle. And it's just a handy little tool to have. So I have that, gonna throw it in the truck, and we'll have it with us on some of our adventures. Something you also want to do if you're going to be doing some expeditions like we are with the truck is to have some tools on board. And so behind the scenes, I've been adding to the tool collection that's on Abel. And this is just one more thing I'm adding to it. It's a set of Allen sockets. I didn't have a complete set in there. I just had like the wrenches but no sockets. So we're going to throw that in the toolbox as well. Another package from Amazon here. Some of you guys have been complaining about your shelter doors being squeaky and whatnot. Well, the reason they're squeaky is because the majority of them have aluminum hinges, or they have aluminum content in the hinges, or dissimilar metals. And the best thing I found to use in situations like that is a dry moly lube. This stuff works great on aluminum and dissimilar metals. So it's something to pick up. Get your hands on a can of this. They sell it on Amazon. I think it's like $10. So I'll leave a link down in the description as always. These were an idea from some of the Facebook LMTV page members. If you're not part of that page, I strongly recommend you checking it out. Answer the 3 questions and you can get in. And there's a lot of knowledgeable people on the Facebook LMTV page. So this is something that they came up with. And I'm just going to do a short install video on this today at some point. It's a very simple idea. It's a stainless steel convex mirror. And you'll see in the video that we're going to do, I got 2 of these, you'll see in the video that we're going to do today where these actually end up going. But they sure as heck aren't going on Abel all shiny like that. I might leave this main bracket like that, but the rest of the mirror, boy oh boy, we got to get that painted. Just a few of the hello Blu-ray. Hello. Say hello. Say hello to everybody. Oh, you don't want to talk now, huh? You silly bird. Are you being a silly bird? Something I want to get done today. I've got a few of these things left. I have some spare cable left, and I need to finish up two of the battery connections, which are the main. Yes. The main feeds going to the battery box. Gonna finish those up. That's my goal, and get these mirrors on, and spray the hinges of the shelter doors down with the dry moly lube. So, let's get started on that. Well, you know how it goes. The ultimate test is to see if we can make the smoke come out and watch everything burn up. So let's see what happens here. Success! Alright guys, if you liked today's episode, give me a thumbs up, hit like, subscribe.
Is the button gonna be up there or over there?
I'm not sure.
That one. Subscribe.
Subscribe down below. And as always, I'll catch you guys next time. See you later. Bye-bye.